Hello YouTube, anyways, today's video is going to be 4th of July DIY, so like and subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Anyways, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much. The first that we have is from this blue garland. What you're going to need, a bow, and obviously you can pick out different decorations. Paracord, you can use whatever color you have, or you can even use this string maybe on this, a shooting star or whatever. Some glitter or some confetti, whatever you have. Some scissors, you will probably need scissors, you may not, and then some hot glue, but be careful with the hot glue. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this, and we're going to undo it, wherever the thing is to undo it with. This is from the Dollar Tree, if you want to know where this is from. This stuff and a plate. I need like a plate of some sort. So I'm just going to cut off some stuff, or you don't have to. You just kind of, I have that. And that's it. Add it. And so then first I'm just going to cut off some of those. And then I'm going to kind of make it how I want. So I might need some more. So you're just going to cut some of this off. And you're going to kind of make a circle if that's how you want it. And wrap it around. And I'm going to put that in there. After you get the hot glue, we're just going to hot glue it down. So I'm putting it. I'm going to put some hot glue there. I'm going to put some hot glue on the top as well. Try to make sure it stays. Then we're going to add this bow down below. You can kind of tell what I'm doing. So we're going to put some hot glue on the back of that. I'm just going to hot glue it. I really don't want that here, so I'm going to take the shooting star and we're just going to kind of glue it above that bow. So we're just going to put some hot glue on the back of it. Sorry that you can't see. Kind of like wherever you want it to. Just gonna hold that and make sure it gets the glue. You might have to add some more hot glue in a few other places, like on the plate or whatever you use. Make sure it really gets contained down. And then you're gonna take this, and you might need to trim it, or you can always, if you don't want to trim it, so then you're gonna take this and turn the plate around, and you're gonna, so you can hang it. You can just put some hot glue on the back, wherever, in the middle. And you're going to put this on top, and put some hot glue on top of that. And put that on top, and I'm going to put a little bit more hot glue on top of that just for it to stay. You're going to hold that down once it cools. Wait a minute for it to cool. So like count to 30 seconds. Or 60 seconds, and then you're just going to hold that down, and it's still a little hot. Just kind of hold it down on the part that's not touching the glue. And you kind of have a string, so you're going to let that cool. So I'm going to let that cool. But then you'll have a string behind it to hang it up on a door or whatever you want. Then, if you want to add a little bit of that glitter around, you're just going to add a few spots of hot glue randomly to add some. So then you're just going to take this, either your glitter or confetti, and just kind of sprinkle it on, and wherever the hot glue is, it should stick. Then you'll shake it off. Be careful because it might be hot. Then you have, I'll show you kind of what it looks like. I'm sorry about that. Whenever it's, so I'm going to try to get a better view. have to lift up the camera to get a little bit of a better view so you guys can actually see it. So I'm going to lift up the camera so you guys can actually see what it actually looks like really goodly. So there's what it looks like, and obviously it has a little string on top so you can hang it on like a door frame or something. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like these sort of videos, here's the 4th of July DIY for y'all. If you like these sort of videos, make sure you like and subscribe down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. See ya! Hope you enjoyed the 4th of July DIY.